Forget the blue marble. Picture ancient Earth, an endless, glowing nightmare sea of toxic neon purple. That wasn't water. It was a deadly chemical soup that ruled our planet for a solid billion years. Welcome to the Canfield Ocean. How did our entire world become one massive, poisonous holding tank? The answer lies deep below. Look closer at that strange, alien glow pulsing from the Dead Sea. The enemy wasn't a monster. It was an invisible, silent killer gas that stained the whole world purple. Meet the killer, hydrogen sulfide. It smells like rotten eggs and absolutely decimates complex life. But if it was so toxic, why did the Canfield Ocean glow with that hypnotic, electric brightness? The disturbing truth? That glow is billions of bacteria thriving on the exact poison that killed everything else. They're called purple sulfur bacteria. They didn't need oxygen. They craved that deadly sulfide gas. They created a global suffocating blanket. But look up, what was happening to the atmosphere above them? It was Earth's greatest magic trick. A little oxygen up top, but underneath, a total death trap. Think of it like a toxic layer cake. Life could only cling desperately to the very thin top crust. Anything diving too deep into the purple zone was instantly suffocated by the sulfide gas. This era lasted so long, scientists dubbed it the boring billion. Why call a toxic ocean boring? Because evolution stopped cold. The Canfield Ocean hit the pause button on complex life. Animals need oxygen to get big. This purple ocean locked away that essential fuel supply. Earth was stuck in limbo, not quite dead, but definitely not alive in the way we know it. Imagine, no fish, no coral, just silence and endless layers of glowing, primordial slime. How do we know this happened? The evidence is buried deep within the most ancient rocks. Geologists found the chemical fingerprints of those specific purple bacteria in old seafloor sediments. They are ghosts from the deep past, reminding us just how fragile our breathable air really is. What if today's ocean started turning purple again? It's not sci-fi, it's already starting. We're seeing dead zones appear in modern coastal waters right now, where oxygen totally vanishes. Fertilizer runoff feeds massive algae blooms. When that algae dies, it sucks up all the oxygen. If that spreads, those ancient sulfur bacteria are waiting in the wings to take over the world again. The Canfield Ocean isn't just history. It's a warning about the default state of our planet. An oxygen-rich Earth is a rare exception. This toxic purple nightmare state is actually normal. So, what finally broke the purple curse and let complex life like us finally begin? It was a slow, painful shift. Oxygen levels had to rise high enough to physically push back the poison. Some theories say massive geological upheavals buried excess carbon, finally cleaning up the skies. As that toxic green haze cleared, the true sun finally touched the water's surface. Cyanobacteria, the heroes that create oxygen, finally gained the upper hand against the purple horde. But the transition was violent. It likely triggered massive, globe-spanning ice ages. Picture Snowball Earth, where even that toxic, sulfidic ocean was frozen solid. Only after the ice melted did our modern blue ocean truly begin to take shape. That billion-year period is wiped from memory, but its toxic mark remains. Look at the Black Sea today. Its deep water is still a miniature, oxygen-free Canfield Ocean. It's a natural time capsule, showing us exactly what Earth looked like before we arrived. The strange beauty of the purple ocean is a testament to life's brutal resilience. Even without oxygen, life found a way. It was just a very different, alien kind of life. We look for alien life in space, but Earth used to be the alien planet. Drop a time traveler there today, and they wouldn't last 5 minutes without full life support. The air would burn your lungs, and the overwhelming stench of rotten eggs would blind you. The Canfield Ocean teaches us that normal is totally relative in geological history. Our blue skies and clear oceans are a temporary gift, not a permanent guarantee. As we alter the atmosphere today, we are playing with those same ancient, dormant forces. Could we accidentally trigger the return of the sulfide sea? Scientists are genuinely worried. It's a delicate chemical balance that took billions of years to build and could break fast. Take one last look at the glowing purple abyss. It is stunning and absolutely terrifying. Take one last look at the glowing purple abyss. It is stunning and absolutely terrifying. The silence of the boring billion speaks louder than any fossil record ever could. It reminds us that life doesn't always move forward. Sometimes it gets totally stuck. Next time you see the ocean, remember its toxic purple predecessor is hiding underneath. Be thankful for every breath of oxygen. It wasn't always there for you to use. The Canfield Ocean is gone, but the bacteria that made it are still lurking in the shadows right now. They are just waiting for the right conditions to rise up and stain the world purple again. Earth's history is a wheel. Are we rolling back towards the start of an old cycle? The mystery of the purple ocean remains one of Earth's most fascinating, untold chapters. An alien world right here beneath our feet, buried by billions of years of time. The Canfield Ocean, a beautiful nightmare that we are very lucky to have woken up from.